Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer American Express points to Emirates Skywards. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to maximize your rewards. First, it is essential to understand the basics of American Express membership rewards in Emirates Skywards. American Express Membership Rewards is a loyalty program that allows you to earn points on your everyday purchases, which can be redeemed for various rewards, including travel. Emirates Skywards, on the other hand, is the loyalty program of Emirates Airlines, offering rewards and benefits to its members. To transfer your American Express points to Emirates Skywards, you need to have an American Express card that participates in the membership rewards program and an Emirates Skywards account. If you do not have an Emirates Skywards account, you can create one on the Emirates website. The transfer ratio for American Express points to Emirates Skywards miles is typically 1:1, meaning one American Express point is equivalent to one Emirates Skywards mile. However, it is crucial to note that transfer rates may vary, and it is always best to check with American Express for the most up-to-date information. To initiate the transfer, log into your American Express account and navigate to the Rewards section. Click on Transfer Points and select Emirates Skywards as the transfer partner. Enter the number of points you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that points transfers are typically one-way, meaning once you transfer your points to Emirates Skywards, they cannot be transferred back to American Express. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure you are transferring the correct number of points and that you have enough points in your account to complete the transfer. In addition to understanding the transfer process, it is also important to be aware of the redemption options available through Emirates Skywards. Emirates Skywards miles can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, and other travel rewards. The program also offers a range of partners, allowing you to earn and redeem miles across multiple airlines and hotels. In conclusion, transferring American Express points to Emirates Skywards is a straightforward process that can help you maximize your rewards. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can take advantage of the benefits offered by both American Express and Emirates Skywards, and enjoy more travel rewards and benefits. Remember to always check the transfer ratio and redemption options before initiating a transfer to ensure you are getting the most value from your points.